Oh, dude, she went right into the end cap. There we go. He has the knife in his hand. What's up, guys? Squink here, back with another video. I used to be a cop. I'm not anymore. I do these videos instead where I walk into a brand new situation, brand new body cam footage video every single day, blindly, and react to it in real time with no fancy transitions, nothing like that. Because I believe that's the best way for you to get a I believe that's the best way for you to get a glimpse into how the cops are thinking, how that cop brain is ticking. So, without fail, every time I'm on social media, there's one question that stands out that everyone wants to know. And that question is, what the hell are the cops doing? What are they doing? What are they? So I'm here to answer that question and whatever else pops up in today's video, which comes from Donut's raw police footage. It is titled, Suspect Steals Cop's Taser. Uh-oh. All right, here we go. Never seen it. Here we go.
No, but he's got the checkered one.
Oh, the dolly tree.
Oh.
We got one of these.
Oh, cool. Are you want to trespass? I think so. Think so? Okay.
The good old dolly tree. Where everything is $1.75.
I don't know why you keep walking away.
Said he has a knife on his belt. FYI.
Huh? Hey, Phoenix Police.
Is he just walking?
Should be fine.
Good
he's
call.
walking out the back.
Good call out by her to say that there's a knife on his belt. That was a good call out. That's very pertinent information for everyone.
Did he steal anything, or? The guy on the cover now. We did additional units. Hispanic male, black hair wrapping over his head, black and white checkered shirt.
Hey,
Good.
Phoenix Police.
Stop!
Whoa.
Hey,
Stop right now, or you're gonna get
stop right
tased.
now.
Sir, you're ruining the merchandise.
You got the taser? I got, here, you want to come this way with hands? I got,
Phoenix Police, get your hands up now.
So she doesn't want to tase him from that height because he could just face plant into the ground and break his neck. So she's waiting for him to get down.
I'm coming.
But right when he hits the ground, they need to immediately gain control of him. Nice. Put him on the ground. Girl. What? Alright, so this is the male officers.
Hey, Phoenix Police.
He's just
right now,
monkeying
stop right
around.
Now. We're in the back where the freezer's at.
you got the taser?
He's jumping all
I
around.
got, here, you want to come this way with hands? I got,
Phoenix Police, get your hands up now.
Oh, dude, she went right into the end cap. There we go.
Stop it.
He has the knife in his hand. I'm pretty sure he had the knife in his hand. God, she hit that so hard, dude. God, this is so hard to see. You can see those nails, though. Imagine shopping while this is going on. Just like, can I ever come to the Dollar Tree and this doesn't happen, please? She is not in a good position. At all. This looks like a civilian based on the shoes. Oh no. Traffic cop. The taser is right there on the ground. Good, good drive stun by her. Uh-oh.
Stop grabbing my hand!
Stay down. Stop grabbing my hand!
Uh-oh.
Stop it!
Down, please, stop!
Give us your hand! Let go of my hand!
Uh-oh, he's got it now.
Shit!
Fuck.
Grab my fucking taser!
Wait, you don't stop! I'm gonna shoot you in the
Yeah.
fucking head!
Damn.
Not just Jimmy. And N8.
Holy smokes.
Stay down,
Stop
man.
grabbing my hand!
Stay down. Stop grabbing my hand! I'm gonna punch you in the fucking face!
Stop it!
Down, please, stop!
Give us your hand! Let go of my hand!
Okay, so, is that justified? Yes. Here's why. People are going to get upset about this, and that's fine. So, the reason it's justified for them to shoot if he gains control of their taser, if he poses an immediate risk and starts pointing the taser at them and trying to tase them, that opens up the situation for further deadly repercussions. So, because the taser incapacitates, if an officer were to get tased, the suspect could then, during that moment of incapacitation, grab the officer's gun and kill the officer. That is why it is justified. People can agree or disagree. I'm just telling you, a reasonable officer would be justified in using that type of force for those reasons. And courts have favored police officers who have shot suspects who gain control of the taser in similar incidents. I know it doesn't look great, but it is what it is. That's just the reality of the situation. Wow, that was a crazy one. I give the cops a B, only for the reason I don't know how they didn't gain control of him quicker when he came down from on top of the boxes of merchandise. That was a perfect time for the situation to be ended right there, because the suspect is getting down. He's sort of off balance. He's sort of not really in a position of power. So at that point, they need to take out his legs. One officer takes the legs, one officer grabs at least one wrist and take him down to the ground. I think that may have prevented this situation. But again, every situation is unique. And that is my take on today's. I do these videos every single day. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I will see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video. Bye.